Jack, can you tidy up the living room, please? It's nearly 3 o'clock and this room is completely mess. There is stuff all over the floor. Your parents will be here soon. Yeah, sure, I will. I have used up my all energy in cooking. Then I discovered the wash basin was clogged up in the bathroom. So I had to clear that. Now I am too tired to do anything. You can rest assured. I'll clean it up before my parents arrive. It looks better now, right? I even did the laundry and took out the trash. Oh, great. You did a terrific job. I still need to hang this picture on the wall. Let me give you a hand. Okay, just tag that end. Got it? Yes. 1, 2, 3, lift. It not straight yet. Lift it a bit on the left. There you go. Done. It looks good. Oh, it's so late and you are still here. Get dressed and make your bed quickly. Carry all these dirty clothes to the laundry room. And you have to clean up this room. I'm afraid you will have to do it now. My parents are coming in a hour. So come on, pick up all this stuff and put everything back to its place. Yes, I'm going to do all things at home. But you have to go to the supermarket for buying some fruits and vegetables.